I'm doing the pizza challenge, and it doesn't mean that I get to eat all the pizza that my little heart desires. Instead, I have to use ingredients selected by my lovely crew. I hope you guys like me enough. Yeah?
No.
I have 12 different ingredients here. I'm told that some of them are normal pizza toppings and some of them are pretty crappy. The good thing is that the base of this pizza is still normal. So I got some pizza sauce here and spread that all around. I still get to have my cheese sauce. All right, first one. Here we go. 7. All right, what do I got? It was a big one. Let's see. Okay, kiwi. I could work with this, you know? I like savory, I like sweet. All right, we're off to a good start, I think. Nothing too scary. Let's see what the next one is. Number 4. What is it? Okay. Olives! Olives! I'm happy about this. I get it all the time on my pizza. Numero 1. Pepperoni! Got the pepperoni, laying it down. Got my meats for my sweets. All right, number 4, we're halfway there. 10. What is this? I just looked in and it looked like death. With black bean paste. No! Usually you'd add this to like noodles, soup, stews. I'm doing pizza today. Next ingredient. Number 5. Italian cookies. So we're just gonna sprinkle it on. It's like unicorn parmesan. Chocolate, cheese, tomato sauce. I'm gonna have the shit tonight. All right, next one up. Number 6. Tomatoes! We've got a weird balance going on here. This is already looking like the kind of pizza you make during a night where you make really bad decisions. Second to last here. Number 8. What is this? Sour Patch Kids! Wow. All I can say is wow. This is a hot mess. Final one. Number 2. This better be a good one. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Sour cream. Marshmallow fluff. How am I even supposed to add this? Should we just make a, oh no. It's like the end of Ghostbusters. Now this goes into the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. You guys. Look at this gorgeousness. I'm gonna cut myself a slice. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. No. No.
Swallow it, swallow it, yeah, swallow it.
I want to swallow it. Oh. God. I feel like I'm eating potpourri. I don't know why. But I think potpourri tastes like this. Pizza 10, Gen 0. I hope you guys will give this a try with your friends. The ones that you don't like so much. See you next time.